In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bins in Tableau Desktop. This is a handy feature that can help you better visualize your data by grouping it into bins or ranges, which are particularly useful for analyzing continuous measures like sales or profit. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open your Tableau public app. If you don't have it yet, ensure you download and install the app from the Tableau website. Once you have the app open, navigate to your worksheet where you'll be working with your data. In your worksheet, you'll see the data pane on the left side of the screen. This is where your data's measures and dimensions are listed. To begin analyzing a continuous measure, like sales or profit, find that measure under the Measures section. Right-click on the measure to bring up a context menu. From this menu, select Create and then choose Bins from the drop-down options. Once you click on Bins, a dialog box will appear called Create Bins. Here, Tableau might suggest a default bin size based on your data. However, you have the flexibility to specify your own bin size if you prefer a different range. Enter your desired bin size in the dialog box if you want to customize it. This customization allows for more precise and relevant data analysis based on your specific needs. With your bins created, you'll now need to visualize this field by dragging it to the columns shelf located at the top of your worksheet area. A quick drag and drop action will let Tableau know you want to use this new bin field to categorize your data across columns. Next, it's time to decide how you want to aggregate your data. For example, you might want to count the number of entries in each bin or sum up a particular measure. Find the measure you wish to aggregate and drag it onto the rows shelf. This step is essential as it determines what kind of information you'll display alongside your binned data. In some instances, you might want your bin field to behave as a continuous field rather than discrete. If this is the case, head back to the data pane and locate your bin field. Right-click on it and select Convert to Continuous. This conversion allows you to analyze trends and patterns more fluidly, especially if you prefer a continuous spectrum of data. By completing these steps, you've successfully utilized bins in Tableau to enhance your data analysis and visualization. Whether you're identifying trends, patterns, or simply trying to comprehend large data sets, bins can help illuminate essential insights, making your data-driven decisions more informed. Enjoy experimenting with this feature and seeing how it can benefit your data projects. Happy analyzing!